Hi everyone. I'm starting the series of classes of Sanskrit of second PUC. The name of the textbook is Shevadhihi Dvitiyo Bhagaha Dvitiya Padavi Purva Samskrita Pathyapustakam. Before we start the classes, let me explain some points. This point is mentioned in the instruction page of the textbook by the board itself. It says अभ्यासः इति भागे प्रदत्ताः प्रश्नाः एव सर्वासु परीक्षासु अनिवार्यतया प्रष्टव्याः. Questions have to be taken from the Abhyasa part of the textbook. Anivaryataya, compulsorily. व्याकरणविषयकप्रश्नाः अभ्यासपुस्तकादेव स्वीकर्तव्याः. There is an additional book called Abhyasa Pustakam attached to the main book. From that Abhyasa Pustakam or practice book only, Vyakarana Vishaya Prashnaha, grammar related questions have to be taken. No outside grammar questions are given in the question paper. Tatra Ashtavidha Prashnaha Santi. There are 8 types of questions or questions on 8 different grammar topics are given in Abhyasa Pustaka. Sapta eva prashtavyaha. Among those 8 questions, 8 main questions, 7 only have to be asked. 8 main questions means sandhi, samasa, pratyaya. That way, there are 8 different topics of grammar covered in Abhyasa Pustaka. Out of 8, 7 only have to be asked. व्याकरणदोषं परिहरत अथवा पदपरिचयं कुरुत अनयोः एकः एव प्रष्टव्यः. There are 2 different topics by name Vyakarana Dosham Pariharata, correct the mistakes of grammar, and Pada Parichayam Kuruta, explain the etymology of the word. So between these 2, they have to opt only one. Only one question has to be taken in the question paper. So out of 8 questions of grammar, 7 are supposed to be given in the question paper. अनुवाद विषयक प्रश्नाः पत्रलेखनम् अपि अभ्यासपुस्तकात् एव भवेयुः. Translation and letter writing are also supposed to be taken from the practice book or Abhyasa Pustakam, which is, once again I am telling, which is attached to the main question, main textbook. It has to be taken from that itself. So no outside questions are given for translation or letter writing. Everything overall, totally, if I say, everything is taken from your textbook. The textbook itself has Abhyasa Pustakam along with that. So if students focus on all the topics in the textbook, that will be sufficient for the board exam or final exam. No other additional practice books or textbooks or reference books are required. This has to be remembered. So in my classes, I will be covering all this. I will start with a chapter, explain the entire chapter, the complete text of the chapter, splittings of words will be given down, and even that will be discussed. English meanings of every word will be told. After the explanation, Abhyasaha, the exercise of every chapter will be discussed. Answers will be given for that in the same class. After that, the grammar questions for that chapter, which is there in Abhyasa Pustaka or practice book, even that will be discussed. Answers will be given for them also. When I start one chapter, the chapter, its exercises, and the grammar, all 3 different topics are covered. According to this instruction, this information, everything what is required, that will be covered after the explanation of every chapter. That way all the chapters will be taught. For one chapter, one video. That way the classes will be conducted. All the best.